Okay, in this video you're going to be checking out the Foxeer Lollipop 2 antenna. And this antenna, it comes in a variety of different form factors. You get it with a micro FL connector, MMCX connector, SMA, both, I think they have also right-angled MMCX and straight as well. So a variety of different options for this antenna. This is an updated antenna from the Lollipop 1. I think that was just like a clone of the Axie. This is a little bit different. And I don't usually do a lot of these FPV antenna like reviews specifically. I just use the products and then you see all the videos that I produce. A lot of the FPV DVR footage from my Fat Shark goggles, and this one I thought was pretty notable, so I thought I'd make a separate video about it because I've been using this particular antenna here on some of my micros, and also I'll use on the receiver end on the Fat Shark goggles. I also use the same Lollipop 2 antenna, and I think that my reception's gotten a little bit better, not like way better, but it's been noticeable. And I wanted to show you a flight from this guy here at one of the parks I normally fly at, so you guys can kind of compare to some of the older videos where I've flown other antennas at that parking. There's a lot of trees there, so you'll get a lot of breakup from video being bounced off of objects and going through trees and stuff like that. So you'll see that in this flight, I'm only on 25 milliwatts, by the way, which is another thing that's pretty impressive. Is at that power level and distances I flew, I would normally get quite a lot of breakup, but hardly any using this new antenna. So thought it was interesting to point that out, and you guys could check out. I'll actually put a couple links of some older videos I've flown at that same park with different antennas. I think they're going to be Axie clone antennas from, I think they're really see the UX2s. So I'll put those in the description. You guys can click on those videos and see what kind of reception I get at the same park using other antennas compared to this one. You can kind of make your own decision if you think it's better or worse or not. Obviously, a lot of these reception type videos are very subjective, so you may find that it's not that great, or you may find that it's really good. So I particularly found it to be pretty good, so that's why I'm sharing this video. And I'll put a link to this antenna in the description below, and then on that page you can select the various different options for the type of connection you want for this particular antenna.